So let's directly get to the point that how you can catfish on Snapchat. I think that you yourself has been catfished by someone else, and now you are seeing that how you can catfish the other people on Snapchat. By the way, whatever the reason may be, let's explore it. So first of all, you have to open any of the picture from your camera roll or Snapchat or from anywhere. You just have to go to your memories and find a photo that you want to use for catfish. For example, this is the photo here from my camera roll, and for now catfishing someone, you have to simply press this little arrow in the right of your screen. And the step number 2 is you gotta tap on this scissors icon available in this menu list, and after that you gotta select an area from the photo that you want to use for the catfish. For example, let's crop this area from here, and after that you gotta tap on the done button from here and discard the changes, and after that you gotta go back and open the camera of your Snapchat and simply click a picture from here, and after that you gotta tap on this paper icon here, and you gotta tap on this scissors icon again, and here you will have that photo that we have just cropped. Just select this photo and zoom in, and simply we can write anything like "this is me" or something else that you want to write, and after that press the done button, and after that you can simply send it to anyone and use it for catfishing the people that you want to catfish on Snapchat, or the people who have catfished you from your friends list. So that's how you do it. If you have any other questions, let me know in the comments. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.